What is the sportiest of sports utility vehicles? One that boasts extreme performance, screams luxury and technology. Some would argue it's a Lamborghini Urus, but what about this Audi RSQ8 Vorsprung? Underneath it is completely identical to the Lamborghini Urus, but wears a more formal body, and it comes without the Lamborghini price tag. This is Audi's epitome of luxury, high-end performance in an SUV body, and this example we have here is brand new on delivery mileage. This RSQ8 came to us in its transportation film, fresh from the factory to protect its Audi-Exclusive Venetian Violet Purple paintwork, which you can no longer specify from the factory, and it kept us waiting 2 years for it to arrive from the day we ordered it. And from our research, we're led to believe that this is one of one in the UK in this unique colour. As a top-of-the-line Vorsprung model, it features an incredible £17,800 of factory extras over and above the standard already loaded specification for the RSQ8. This includes must-have features such as the soft close power doors, the panoramic glass sunroof, the black aluminium roof rails, the red brake calipers with the RS logo, the 23-inch 5-wide spoke Audi Sport wheels, the HD matrix LED headlights with dynamic rear indicators and lighting animations, and the RS Sport exhaust system. But this RSQ8 features some optional extras, which raise the total value of the options to £24,000. So let me show you what you get for your money. Now let's start with the interior, because this is where this car really excels itself. You immediately get a sense of quality and luxury. Now let's list off some of the highlighting features in here. You're surrounded by the red interior styling package, the luxurious extended leather, the ventilated RS Supersport massaging seats, alcantara headlining, carbon matte twill interior inlays, head-up display, the comfort and sound package complete with a high-fidelity Bang Olufsen sound system, the Tour Pack suite of driver assistant aids, the City Pack collection of anti-collision warning aids, self-parking functionality, and a favourite feature of ours is the rear axle steering. For the rear wheels to turn on a car of this size really helps manoeuvring in tight areas. But even these most sought after of upgrades are merely the icing on the cake of what is a truly mind-bendingly capable machine that offers supercar pace in an SUV space. Under the bonnet you will find the 4-litre twin turbocharged V8 engine. This is a universal power plant that's seen itself in the bodies of the Lamborghini Urus and the Audi RS6 and 7s. This power plant produces an eye-watering 600 PS and 800 Nm of torque, which is able to catapult this brute from a standstill to 62 miles an hour in 3.8 seconds. The RSQ8 offers plenty of cargo space of 30.5 cubic feet, which rivals the Urus's 21.8 cubic feet. And no matter where you sit in this vehicle, you will not struggle for room. As a VAT qualifying vehicle, business owners or international export customers can also benefit from reclaiming the VAT on the listed price, making this an excellent choice for business use, while the Audi manufacturer's warranty is still valid until October 2026. This RSQ8 will enter our meticulous detailing preparation process, where our team of in-house detailers will prepare this car to meet our high exacting standards. If you want to find out more information about this car or any of the other cars that we have for sale, we recommend heading over to our website or giving us a quick call.